Good morning. Welcome to Hubbard TV. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for the Oklahoma Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now the Oklahoma Pledge.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
This is Abigail. And Lily. Now let's see what we're having for lunch.
Everybody gets enough food down here in Long Lady Land.
Good morning. This is Marley. Today in the cafeteria we are having chicken, lettuce, green beans, bread, fruit, milk. Now let's see what the weather is going to be like. This is Abby. Today the weather is going to be a high of 55. Tomorrow is going to be a high of 27. Now let's pause for a moment of silence.
All right, good cold morning to you, Coach. How are you this morning?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Oh, fantastic. Do we have any birthdays today?
Yes, we have one birthday to celebrate today. Kimberly Wishon from Mrs. Clement's class.
All
Happy
right.
birthday.
Happy birthday. All right, let's see what our announcements are.
Now it's time for the announcements.
All right, good morning, Hubbard. And our first announcement for the day is, yes, it is rotation A, which means for your planning and your duty, make sure you get to the right point for rotation A.
It is also Jump Rope for Hubbard Week in your PE classes with Coach Shockley and Coach Tom.
That is so
So
exciting.
we'll have a lot of fun with that.
Yes, and we're trying to raise infinity plus 3,000 so that somebody will have to kiss a pig. I'm on your side. I think it needs to be Coach Shockley.
I'm with you, Coach Shockley.
Yeah. All right, and this week is Valentine's Day. On Thursday, we will have our Valentine's parties. Your teachers will tell you all the fun that you're going to have.
And the word for this month is encouragement.
Yes, and if teachers remember, there's going to be little people, it's our happy heart people, hanging in the hallway by the library. So go by and write some words of encouragement to your fellow teachers. And while we're on that, the hallway after the library, there is a new quiet zone. And some of you may have seen this, and remember, the reason it's why it's a quiet zone is because we've started setting up some sensory paths, and that can get kind of loud. So you got to make sure that you're quiet in there. And remember, if you're on the blue line, it's just like it used to be. You stay on your blue line going one way, and the other blue line goes the other. And if you guys do a good job on this, then we'll start putting stuff on the other side, so you'll have a path on either side. So make sure when you go into that breezeway, it's a quiet zone.
Hats off to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and 43-year-old Tom Brady.
Yeah.
The most Super Bowls of anybody in any franchise was 7. He is also the oldest player to play in a Super Bowl.
Yes.
And like I said, he has played in 10s, won 7, and the Buccaneers are world champions.
Yeah, pretty cool. Did you watch the game?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did too. Pretty interesting game. Also, remember that progress reports will go out on Wednesday. Miss Donna will start printing them on Tuesday. And is that all our announcements? I think it might be. Oh my goodness. Now we won't have any pickle pops or pickle sickles this Thursday because of Valentine's parties. All right, let's see what's next.
Hey, I just met you, and now you see me. I'm looking so good on Mustache Monday. It's hard to look right without this baby. My Spaniard knows right. It's Mustache Monday. Hey, I just met you, and now you see me. I'm looking so good on Mustache Monday. It's hard to look right without this baby. My Spaniard knows right. It's Mustache Monday.
Good morning, Sam. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Coach. I feel like I'm looking in a mirror.
I know. Looks almost exactly the same.
It does. You need a mask like mine.
Yep. I like that hat. Alabama Roll Tide.
Woo-hoo. I need a Buccaneers hat now.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do about that.
All right, Coach. Let's see how you are with three-dimensional shapes. Or do you want to ask me the questions? Because I must ask a question.
You can ask me.
All right, we have some three-dimensional shapes up there. Can you name them?
Well, that first one, I believe, is a cube.
Mm-hmm.
The second one is a rectangular.
Mm-hmm.
Third one is a spear.
Mm.
The fourth one is a cone.
Uh-huh.
And the fifth one is a cylinder.
Ooh, very interesting. Now, let me ask you another. I must ask you another question. This is a what?
That is a cube. The
That's
old famous
right.
Rubik's Cube. I used to have one of
Yes.
those in junior high when I was a junior high
Can you
kid.
solve it?
Oh, couple sides.
Yeah,
Never
I took
could
the
get.
stickers off.
Yeah.
All right. Now, this is what?
That is a rectangular prism.
And what is it on the right that can be a rectangular prism?
That's a aquarium.
That's right. It's an aquarium. Very good. Very good. You're pretty smart, Coach. Good job. All right. Now, what is this next shape?
That is a spear.
And what kind of thing could be a sphere?
That would be something used in Coach Shockley's favorite sport.
Ah.
Basketball is
Yeah.
my favorite sport.
I like
I
basketball
like
too.
to dribble
Yeah,
up and
yeah.
down the court. I like slam dunk and
Yeah.
taking it to the hoop.
Now, what's your favorite sport?
Oh, football.
Yeah.
But I do love watching my daughters play basketball.
Oh,
I
bet
love
you
watching
do,
them
bet
do
you
that,
bet
but
you do. All right.
I'd
so,
rather watch a football game.
Yeah, me too. Me too. All right. So next we have a
Cone.
cone. That's right, a cone. Now, what are some things that are a cone?
You have the orange cones that we use for our bus
Hey, I've seen them
slides.
before. I've seen them before.
And the cones for one of my favorite things at Brahms,
Ooh.
the frozen yogurt in
Ooh, me
the
too.
cone
Frozen
at Brahms.
yogurt.
I love it.
I like the twist one.
Yes, chocolate vanilla.
Yeah. So, what is it that Muhammad Ali says?
Float like a butterfly.
Sting like a bee. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Coach, for doing the 3D shapes with me this morning.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming in.
You bet.
Go enjoy your coffee.
cylinders look like soda cans. They're the shape of pots and pans. They have two circular bases that are congruent and parallel faces. You see cones in construction zones, or when you're eating ice cream cones. All points of their circular base meet at the same point, like a party hat.
These are all three-dimensional shapes.
They all have a base and take up space.
These are all three-dimensional shapes.
The three dimensions are height, width, and length. Pyramids are what the ancient Egyptians made. The Mayans and the Aztecs did the same. They're made with the polygon at the base and triangular faces that meet in one place. Some prisms are rectangular, like a room. Some prisms are triangular, like a roof. Polygons with edges joining at the vertices make a prism, as you can see.
These are all three-dimensional shapes.
They all have a base and take up space.
These are all three-dimensional shapes.
The three dimensions are height, width, and length. There's one special three-dimensional.
All right. Hello, Coach. How are you?
I'm good.
All right. We got a math problem of the day. Are we saying the answer, or do we know the answer to the math problem today, Miss Broslow?
Oh, it was still the dollar and I bought a sucker for 80 cents.
Oh yeah. It was still the $1 and I bought a sucker for 80 cents. All right. So let's see. Let's see who it is that's winning our math problem of the day today.
Our three winners are Laurel from Miss O'Brien's class, Adrian from Mrs. Grayson's class, and Braxton from Miss Robertson's class.
Awesome job. Okay, I think there's a new math problem of the week or whatever up there. So make sure that you go up and see what that new math problem of the week is. Also, Coach, Donna has been taking, I guess, tallies. I don't know. She's been checking. Who's been taking roll every day, taking attendance every day by 10 o'clock. And this morning she handed me a gift card and she said who that went to. And she said, it doesn't go to this person. I won't say any names. And it doesn't go to that person. I won't say any names on that one either. So you guys make sure you're taking attendance by 10 o'clock. This one is for a gift card to, looks like, Cheesecake Factory,
Cracker Barrel, Panera, who has pizza now, Panera Pizza, and Red Lobster.
Red Lobster. I did
Surf
find
and
out that I
turf.
don't think you can use these on DoorDash or Uber Eats. You have to use it through the restaurant itself. But oh well, still $20 to one of those places. And today, Miss Donna says that this award goes to Miss Atkinson. So good job,
All
Miss
right,
Atkinson,
Miss
taking
Atkinson.
attendance every day. So this week, make sure you're taking attendance every day. Get that attendance taken to help Miss Donna out. All right, is there anything else? Remember to be very quiet in our quiet zone. And teachers, don't forget to go right on the wall of encouragement.
Check the lost and found. Make sure you didn't leave a jacket in there. It's going to be cold this week, guys
Yeah,
and
it
girls.
is. For sure. All right, I think that's it. So at Hubbard TV,
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
have a marvelous Monday.